Alright, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are just going to be discuss about the surface area of 3D shapes. They are different. We have to be first of all we have to discuss about specific shapes like cube, cuboid, trapezium, cylinder, cone, and like these shapes. And obviously in the exam it can be any other shape can become. So the total surface area is basically the total outside area of any shape. For example, if you have a cube, so look at here in a cube, you have a top face, you have a bottom face, you have a front face, as well as it is going to be exactly at the you have a back face as
Assalamualaikum,
well.
sir.
Walaikum salam. So there are we have six faces, right? Top, bottom, left, right, front, and back one. So by this way, we have to find the total number of the total surface area of the shapes. And it is a cube, so obviously we have all the things are going to be a square. It is a square, it is a square, and all of these sides are going to be squares. For example, if I'm just going to be give the name, it is the length is going to be L. So it is going to be L as well. It is going to be L as well. Means all the length, width, and the height of the cuboid is going to be same. Okay. Now for the cube, it is going to be very easy. We have it is the length. First of all, tell me what it is. Look at here in the cube. It is the bottom surface. It is the back face. That is exactly at the back. It is the front one. It is the right face of the cube. It will be the left face of the
Left one,
cube. And it is just going to be the top one.
top one.
Let's say you have a cube here. Now it's a cube, so it is just going to be opened like on the right side. The top side can be open on the right side, it can be open on the top, it can be open on the right side or the left side, or it is going to be open on the down portion as well. Means this thing can be open here as well. Right? So in the surface area, you just have to find all the areas of the outer surface, and just add them, you will get the total surface area of the shape. It is clear? Yes, everyone, any question up to here?
No,
Yeah.
sir.
No, sir.
And it is our top. Okay, now here we have a cuboid. In a cuboid, obviously the length and the width and the height is going to be different. So let's I have to give a different name. It is X, it is Y, and it is Z. We know that it is going to be the bottom. It is the right side.
Right side,
It will be the
left,
left. It is going to be the
back,
this one.
front, and top.
It is going to be the top. Now we have the main interesting question now. Yes, Taha, you have to tell me what is the length of this line. What it is? It is X, it is Y, it is Z.
It will be X.
It is going to be X. It will be,
This one will be Y.
it will be
This will be X.
X and Y. Yes, Rabia. Look at the shape carefully and tell me what is this length.
Sir, it's Z.
Yes, because it is just going to be open like this. This phase is going to be open here. This one. So the height is going to be
Yes.
Z. This Z, and it is still X. Yes, Hanana. You have to look at the shape carefully and tell me what it is. It's a top.
Uh, is it y?
Is it y? Yes. Because this length and this length is going to be exactly same, so it is our top face.
Yeah.
So it will be y, it will be x, it is z, obviously. Yes, Fatima. Can you please tell me what it is? It is a left side. What is the this length is equal to?
Uh, Y?
No.
Oh, no, sorry, X. Those, yeah. No,
Look
X is the wrong. Sorry, Z one.
at it is a Z1. This is the
Yeah. So
left side. When you have to be open it, it is going to be here. You
yes,
left will become horizontal here. So it is your
Z.
Z. It will be red here. Obviously it is Y, so it will be Y as well.
Yeah.
Yes, Safa. What it is?
It's Z.
It is going to be Z because you have to open it here like this. So it will be Z, it will be Y, it will be Z. So obviously when you have all the lengths, so we know that it's a simple rectangles. To find the area of a rectangle, you just length multiplied by width. And so the main thing in these 3D shapes are you have to make the nut shape of the one. All right, look at here. Next, we have a triangular prism. In triangular prism, first of all, you have a base that is going to be here. You can say that it is the left side or it is the back side. It looks like the left side. It is going to be the left side here. It will be the right side. And here you have a front triangle and it is your back triangle. It is the front one and it is the back one. Let's say the length is going to be x, y, and z. Yes, Mehran, you have to be tell me what is the length of this base. What it is. It will be equal to,
It will be x.
it is going to be x and it will be,
It will be x as well.
look at carefully. It's the left side, this one. I'm talking about this side. Anyone? Yes, Taha?
It's Z.
Yeah, it will be z here. And the width is going to be exactly same. That is going to be y. In the same way, it is going to be z, it is z, and it is x. Z, z, and x. In the same way, here you have z, it will be y, and it is x. Yes, everyone, it is clear. Any question over here?
Yes, sir.
No.
No, sir.
All right. All right. So now we have a pyramid. Now look at here pyramid. I told you we have different types of pyramid. It is a square base, rectangular base, or any other one. So here we have a square base. Square base means the length and the width and the height is they are just going to be exactly equal. Means if it is L, it is going to be L as well. And let's say this is the length of the pyramid. I have to give the name, let's say S. All right. So it is going to be the base of the pyramid. So it will be L, it will be L. And for example, if it is a rectangle, so it will be the W and it will be the length, or one it will be the length or it will be the width. Yes, Taha, you have to tell me what is this length?
Sir, that one will be S.
That will be S. It will be S as well. And the important thing in all of them is all the triangles are going to be exactly same. It is S, it is S, it is S, it is S. So all of these are going to be exactly same. So if, for example, if you need to be find the surface area of this pyramid, so you need to be find the area of the square plus 4 times the area of a triangle. In this one, if you need to be find a surface area, that will be equal to area of a square plus 4 times area of triangle. Yes, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the next one, we have a tetrahedron. Means in this one, it's a type of pyramid in which you have the base is going to be also the triangle. So look at here, it is a triangle. So this is basically a base triangle. You have to be open a triangle here. It is going to be open it here. In the same way, the back one is going to be here, just like this, and it is on the right side. If I'm going to be given the name, let's say it is X, Y, X, Z. So it is going to be Z. Sorry, it is X, Y, Z, and let's say it is T. So it is X, it is Y, it is Z. Mostly of they are all equal. In the tetrahedron, obviously they are equal, so we have to take X, X, X. But I just want to be show the side, so that's why I have to give the different names. So this length will be, yes, this length will be equal to
Z.
Z or T. It's an upward.
Okay, T.
It's an upward length. You have to open it. So it is going to be T. It's T. It's T in this case. Okay, one thing is left. It's a square base pyramid. Let's see how to make a
Sir, can you repeat that thing again? The last one?
1 second rectangle. In this one, you have a base is basically a triangle, and that triangle is going to be here. Yep.
Okay.
And let's say this is your left side, and left side is going to be here. Obviously, the length is going to be given. All of these are triangles, so the two things is given. Maybe the height of the triangles are going to be given, or if the height of the pyramid is given, so you have to use some trigonometry to find the length. So because we have two formulas to find the area of a triangle. One is 1/2 product of two sides into sine of the angle, and 1/2 base into height. So how we are finding it, it depends upon the situation. It depends on the given information. I'm just looking for if I'm going to be open a tetrahedron, what I will get. So in this one, I'm going to be getting a 4 triangles. One is the base triangle, and the rest of the three one is the left side, right side, and the back side triangle. I just give it as the right side. It is on the left side, and it is the back one. All right.
Yes, sir, clear.
The the thing that is not here, that is rectangular. Yeah, rectangle based pyramid. Let's say I have to make a Now look at here. Here we have the pyramid. It's a rectangular base. Let's say it is going to be the length, it is going to be the width, and it is the slant height. Let's say it is going to be the S length. So if you are going to be open it, so after opening it, in the middle you are going to be get a rectangle, the length and width, and here you are going to be getting a triangle. And the important thing is these two triangles are going to be exactly same. This triangle is exactly same to this one. In the same way, we have a triangle here as well. And here, this triangle and this triangle will be same, and this triangle and this triangle will be same. So we have to give the name. It will be the length, it will be the width, and look at here, it is the S height. So the rest of the lengths are going to be S as well. This one or this one and this one because of its parameter. But here this is going to be changed. It is the length and here it is the width. So obviously we have a different length. So if the length is going to be different, this means that we are going to be getting a different area of the triangle. So these two triangles are going to be exactly same, and these two triangles are going to be exactly same. So if you have to find the surface area, that will be equal to area of rectangle plus 2 times area of triangle 1 plus 2 times area of triangle 2. Let's say it is T1, T1, and it is T2, T2. They are exactly same, so that's why I'm just giving the same name. Yes, everyone, any question up to here?
No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
All right, so now let's we have a cone. Now this is the cone. If you have to find the surface area of this one, so when you are going to be open it, so you are going to be get a circle that is just at the bottom, and this curved path, this curved thing will become a sector. All right. Now the important thing here is, let's say it is the slant height, it is going to be the 9 centimeter. So now the sector of the radius of the sector will be 9 centimeter. Clear? This length will become the radius of the sector, and it is your circle. It is exactly here, but when you have to be open it, it will become the arc length, and this arc length is exactly equal to 2 pi r, the radius of this one. All right, because this circle is going to be open it here like this. So the circumference will become the arc length, and the slant height will become the radius of the sector, and one circle is added down. So if you need to be find the total surface area of the cone, this means that you need to be find the area of the sector and area of the circle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Taha?
sir.
Sir, the circumference of the smaller circle will be equal to the arc length of the
Of,
cone.
yes, arc length of the sector.
Okay, sir.
And the last shape is going to be one more shape, that is going to be the cylinder. Now look at here, we have a cylinder here. So let's say it is going to be the height, and it is the radius of a circle. When you have to be open it, you want to find the total surface area. So on the top, you are going to be getting a circle, and the same circle is going to be at the bottom, right?
Yes, sir.
In the
Yes,
same
sir.
way, if you have to be open it, here you are going to be get a rectangle. Same as you have to take a page and you have to fold it, it will become a cylindrical shape. When you have to open it, it will become the rectangle. And the important thing in the rectangle is the height of the cylinder is basically the width of the rectangle, and the length of the rectangle is basically the circumference of the circle, because this circle is going to be open. It is a circle, now it will become a straight line. So this will become a straight line. We have to find it by 2 pi r, this radius. And obviously we know that how to find the area of a rectangle and how we define the area of a circle, that is pi r square, and for the area of a rectangle, that is length multiplied by width. Yes, it is here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. Any question up to here? In the next class, we have. I'm just going to be take a small lesson today, and in this one, I just told you about the net shapes. You have to try your best to make these shapes, because sometimes the examiner gives you a question in which you have to find the total surface area, and he's maybe we have to do some topical questions, so then you are going to be get a better idea. But before that, you have to be make these shape by yourself at least 2 to 3 times. Okay,
Okay.
so you will get the better understanding. So let's see, have we go for a test.